Seeds of Wisdom RV and Economics Updates Wednesday afternoon, October 29, 25. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Good afternoon. Dinar recaps, markets, hope versus fear, the two-speed repricing dinar investment strategy. Why markets are simultaneously rallying on diplomatic hope and testing safe haven ceilings. Overview. Equities and credit markets have shown optimism tied to high-level trade diplomacy and ceasefire developments. While safe haven assets, gold, certain sovereign bonds, remain sensitive to headline risk. Markets are price discovering around two possible pathways: durable détente or episodic relapse. Key developments. Stocks climbed on growing hopes of US-China trade progress. Currency moves signaled reduced refuge flows to the dollar. Oil and defense equities have trimmed the wartime premium after ceasefire signals, but volatility remains. What this means for global alliances. Market signaling. Rapid market responses to diplomatic actions increase the value of being a first mover in economic diplomacy, trade pacts, tariff relief. Investment corridors. Nations that secure peace or trade deals will attract faster capital deployment. Allied states will coordinate to build the accompanying financing platforms, bonds, guarantees, development funds. Coalition economics. Economic blocs may tighten policy coordination, tariff reductions, synchronized investment incentives, to lock in advantages. How this accelerates financial restructuring. Access to capital will increasingly follow political trust networks. Market access becomes another lever in alliance politics. Private capital will be channeled into projects that carry diplomatic backing, supported by state risk-sharing mechanisms. Practical signals to watch. Sector rotation. Inflows into infrastructure, travel, and regional champions after diplomatic wins. Changes in sovereign bond spreads for countries central to new trade or peace frameworks. Bottom line. Markets are a real-time scoreboard of diplomacy. As alliances shift, capital follows swiftly, creating new winners and hastening financial realignment. This is not just politics, it's global finance restructuring before our eyes. Metals, gold as barometer, not bulwark. Why gold's volatility reflects political risk and the search for monetary insurance. Overview. Precious metals have seen dramatic moves. Gold hit record forecasts and rallied strongly on risk, then softened as trade, diplomatic optimism returned. Gold today functions as a barometer of fear and a strategic reserve preference, and central banks are key actors. Key developments. Analysts and industry forecasts project higher structural prices, some near-term forecasts exceeding $4,000 per oz, driven by central bank buying and hedge demand. Price dips occurred quickly when diplomatic or trade optimism reduced safe haven demand, gold below $4,000 after trade progress headlines. What this means for global alliances. Reserve strategy. Countries seeking autonomy from dollar dependence accelerate gold accumulation and bilateral swap arrangements to insulate from sanctions or policy shocks. Strategic signaling. Visible purchases or gold-backed initiatives become diplomatic signals, showing intent to build parallel monetary buffers. How this accelerates financial restructuring. Increased gold accumulation by non-Western central banks supports multi-asset reserve diversification, which underpins arguments for multi-currency or asset-backed settlement systems. Private market structures, warehouse, vaulting, and tokenized gold platforms, tied to state partners may become instruments of cross-border trade settlement. Practical signals to watch. Central bank gold buying announcements and import-export flows. Emergence of new gold settlement corridors or gold-linked settlement hubs. Bottom line. Metals, especially gold, are becoming strategic insurance in a world where political alignment equals financial resilience. Their price swings are the market's heartbeat. This is not just politics, it's global finance restructuring before our eyes. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: dinarrecaps.com